Okay. Sorry about the pause there. My camera was doing something really weird. Right. This video is about animation itself and what is animation. So I'm going to do a quick review of what animation is. Now, animation is basically a series of pictures, um, of changed pictures that when they're put together, it creates movement. So it's quite easy. I think everyone understands in the class what animation is and how we do it. But this is just a quick overview of how it works. So we take this little walk cycle. If we draw this picture first, okay, and we take a picture of that, and then we take a picture of that, and then we take a picture of that, and we take a picture of that, and take a picture of that, and so on, that when we play it back, okay, it looks like he's moving. It's filling in. Our brains fill in the actual bits that are not there, or it tricks our brains in thinking that that actual stick man is walking when he's not. He's actually a series of still images. Okay. Now, there is actually on this page, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 16. Okay. So if you took 16 pictures, okay, um, I mean, this is walking forwards and this walking sides. So let's just go 8. If we took 8 pictures, okay, and then we put it on a timeline of 8 pictures per second, so we would see, okay, these pictures within 1 second. So go 1 second. So it would be quite quick. 1 second. Okay. Our eyes actually need to see 48 pictures per second. Otherwise, we see it being a bit blocky. But that's a bit complicated, so we're not going to go into that. So basically, what we're going to try and do is we're going to work out that we're going to take between 8 frames per second or 8 pictures per second to 12 frames per second. 12 is better because that's less blocky, but also each picture you would take twice. Okay, so you take two of that one, two of that one, two of that one. That would then give us 24 frames, okay, per second. Okay, so we'd see that picture twice, but that would be okay. We see that one twice, but that would be okay. And then we would see 24 frames. That would be the smooth, really quite smooth. To be really smooth, we would take absolutely 24 frames and we would move it a lot less, okay? Um, and then it gives us the idea that after we can then speed it up or slow it down within the timeline. And we'll look at that at another time. But basically, that's it. That's what we mean by frame rate of how many pictures do we take per second to make it look smooth or not smooth, okay? And in class, we're going to do between 8 and 12 and take 2 pictures, okay? And then we'll look at that and see how that looks, and then we might have to improve it or not improve it. Okay, thank you.